Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. With the last Sudoku, it's a Tectonic with 3 stars, and this will be number 1755. Yes, 1755. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Dual boxes? No dual boxes. Triple boxes? Well, we have here dual box, the 1 and the 2. Dual boxes. No triple boxes. Triple box. 2 and a 3 are missing. We have already filled in a 1. And we see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright. And now 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them, 1 and a 5. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These, oh no. Yeah, this box cannot be a 1, because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1, because we have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, because we have a 4 in this area already. So this box should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 1 are left. Let me mark them, 4 and the 1, 4 and the 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 5 also. So the 2 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. The other two boxes should be the 1 and the 4. Let me mark them, 1 and the 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. The 2 and the 4 are left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 4. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 2 and a 1. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 4. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. Yeah. This box cannot be 1 or 5 because I need a 1 or a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 1. Finished in 9 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Very fast to solve. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Tomorrow it's Thursday. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.